Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 9th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, my bias right now, at least for the daily, is up. I do think that the whole move up we're seeing on the daily is likely a pullback to the weekly time frame downtrend and the monthly time frame downtrend. So, eventually, this probably is going to go down significantly, but I think that we're probably going to spend most of the week going up. As you can see, this looks to be like a potential five waves up. So more than likely, we are in a crescent to those five waves. So I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. If this is an A, this is a B, then I would expect this to be a wave C. I would also expect a wave C to potentially bounce off one of these fib levels. So if it does, bounce from any one of these fib levels, make a nice engulfing move to the upside, then that would potentially be my next entry to go long. Hopefully for the continuation of what I think is a crescent on the daily, but a crescent on the daily is definitely going to produce some really nice trades on the 1 hour time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.